Okay, good morning everybody. So this morning, hopefully today, the first day that we've had nice. You can see it's kind of nice and sunny, but it's windy still. Nothing but rain and snow and wind. Past like 3 or 4 days, so not much going on, but old Big Jim here is over here helping me mend fences. So we're getting ready to turn out the calves, and I got to get this fence hasn't been electrified for quite a while. So I'm out here, the deer run through it and short it out and blah blah blah, right? So out here mending the fences, and the bulls come over here to see what I'm doing. So alright, well, I know it's windy, so I'll try to be conscious of that, but like I said, we're out here, you can see how steep this is. I mean, so, but actually, if you look here, hold on, let me get up here. So there is, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there is a semi-level. I think this is where, I think my dad told me that when they plow, they used to plow these fields with a horse, so I'm not really sure, but somehow this was like a break in the plowing or whatever. But our plan this year is to, I'm going to actually split this field right here with a fence, and it's going to go all the way down to where it joins into my yard, and then the upper half the cows will have, and you can see all this stuff. I got to get this stuff out of here. This is what the bull does. He moves all this stuff down the hill that breaks out of the trees in the windstorms. I got to get this all picked up. But we're going to put a fence out across here, and then the lower half where the bull is right now will be for our chickens, for the meat chickens. We're going to put them out here, and we're going to put the dog out here with them. He doesn't know that yet. And then the upper half will be for the cows. So it's kind of steep, but it's the land I was given, so you know, it's what I got. I got to deal with it. Alright, well, let me get moving on up here. I've got the fence fixed right here, and you can see this is my aunt's ground. I really wish she'd let me put something over there, but that remains to be seen. I'll move on up here and get this fixed up, and then I'll see you in a few minutes. I'll try to do some filming, but it's kind of hard here, especially on the side of the hill, as windy as it is. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so we're at the top of the hill now. The fence actually goes down through all those green briars, past that old dead tree there. Let's see. He's following me up the hill. Nosy. And so you can see we are high up. Down there is the house, the greenhouses, barn, all that good stuff. So it's a pretty nice view up here. But you can see right here, deer have broke this line completely in half. So figure out what we're going to do here. I got it all joined back together. Between the deer and the trees falling on stuff, it is a constant mess. Alright, so I got a mess down there. Let me figure this out. Alright, back again. Battery died, so been working down in the bottom part of the fence. That's all done. So here we got an issue. This tree fell, so it's completely wiped out the fence through here. Have to see what's going on here. Hopefully I can pick this up and then bring a chainsaw. So, alright, let me try to do something here. Alright, I put a T-post in there, and one down there, and got it all broken 2 different places. I fixed that. It's on down there in the corner. So basically the right 50 yards from where I'm standing, it makes a right and heads down over the hill and kind of splits the fields in 2, so I have 2 different. I can block one of them off and let them, so they're not eating everything, only eating the good stuff. They got to eat one side, and then we allow them on the other. So, all right, let's go up and check up here by the gate, and then I have to install the fencer, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll get you when we get over to the gate. Okay, they're all out. It's getting dark, but they're out. Running around like idiots. And there they go. Clean out of sight. Hey, Hetty, get your mother. Get your kids. Come on. Here they come back. Oh, Mom just told him to settle down. That wasn't good.